Master this and you'll be doing doubles in no time. Hey guys, I'm Mary. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to master the Salchow jump. Hope you guys are ready for this one. For the Salchow jump, it is really important to remember to check the 3-turn. See how my front arm stays right here? Swing over, because if it swings over, I'm going to spin. Therefore, my 3-turn won't be checked. Once again, check, strong shoulder. You can practice checking the 3-turn on the circle like I'm doing right now. And check. Soft knees. During my 3-turn, my knees are nice and soft. That's going to give me the power I need for my Salchow jump. After we do the 3-turn, we're going to be on a nice back inside edge. At this point, we're gonna bend the knee. We're gonna press, press, press. We're pivoting the foot around. Our goal is to jump outside the circle. So if you notice, my left foot is following the red circle. The right foot, I'm jumping outside of the circle. The Salchow jump is very simple, just like a waltz jump. So if you have a good waltz jump, you can definitely do the Salchow. And a nice landing. When you do your Salchow, remember, nice back inside edge, bend, bend, bend these arms. We're gonna bend and then go through. So again, we're gonna bend, 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 and we're gonna bring them through just like the waltz jump. The back leg, the free leg, we're gonna pivot, 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 pivot. See how my knee goes up, nice in the air. 3, 2, press, 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 press. I'm gonna try to jump that direction. I like to call this my H position. When you're jumping, when you come through in the axle, in the Salchow, you're like this. The higher you get this knee, think about it being perpendicular to the ice, you're gonna get a nice big Salchow jump. Try to hit that toe pick. I'm gonna forget about my H positions. You can see how teeny tiny this jump can get if you forget to take off. In that example, I did land a jump, but it was teeny tiny because A, I didn't quite hit that toe pick on my left leg, and B, I didn't quite get that free leg all the way through. So here is an example of me really concentrating on getting up in the air before thinking about rotating. In figure skating, we always want to remember to show off our landing. So remember to land arms slightly beneath the shoulders. Smile, hold that free leg. Notice my landing's not like this, all ugly. My foot is turned out roughly in a 45-degree angle. Right leg's nice and bent. We're gonna show off and try to hold our landing for at least 3 seconds. The other entrance to a Salchow is with a mohawk. The mohawk is nice because it forces you to check, especially for those who have trouble checking and end up spinning around their circle. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and social media for more skating videos. The toe loop is next. See you guys next time.